how to fix your Spotify offline mode not working. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is ensure that your Spotify premium subscription is currently active. As you all know that offline mode is disabled on your free account, so make sure that your subscription is still on, right? So after doing that, if it's still not working, then what you can actually do is simply get to your settings. For that, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner, then from here tap on settings and privacy. After doing that, tap on privacy and social, and then from here verify that offline mode is toggled off if you want to stream normally, or toggled on or toggled on intentionally, right? So in here, like I said, if you do have your premium account, you'll be able to see the offline mode. Make sure that it is turned on. So after doing that, now if it's still not working, then what you can do is simply get to your library and then open your downloaded playlist to ensure a green arrow icon is present next to the track. So if it's gray, then they haven't actually been finished saving yet. So for that, what you can do is go back, and in here, simply what are we going to do is get to our get back, and then tap on the profile icon right here, and then tap on your username. You'll be able to view your profile. Here you'll be able to see all of your downloaded playlists, right? Like I said, make sure that the green button is turned on instead of gray, so that you can simply connect your Wi-Fi if it's still gray and begin the process of downloading completely. So yeah, by doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to fix your Spotify offline not working. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.